Octopus consumption after 55 explained realistically. Octopus seemed harmless. Delicate texture, subtle flavor. I tried it without much thought. One meal, surprising effects. This is not exaggeration. It is what I learned from my experience after eating octopus later in life. Octopus is rich in protein and minerals, niacin, zinc, selenium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Nutrition data confirms these nutrients support metabolism, immunity, and heart function. Simple science. Protein repairs tissue. Minerals support enzymes. Omega-3s reduce low-level inflammation. First thing I noticed was digestion. Octopus is denser than fish. Without proper chewing, it felt heavy. Mayo Clinic notes older adults digest dense protein slower. Second issue was sodium. Octopus often comes cooked or canned with salt. High sodium may raise blood pressure temporarily. Who dietary guidance emphasizes moderation. Third is allergies. Seafood proteins can trigger reactions. NIT allergy reviews highlight new sensitivities after 50. I felt mild tingling in my lips after my first portion. Not severe, but caution mattered. Fourth is preparation. Overcooked octopus is tough. Undercooked carries bacterial risk. Proper cooking ensures safety and digestibility. Not everyone reacts the same. Age, gut health, and medications matter. Some tips that worked for me. Chew thoroughly. Limit portion to 100 to 120 grams. Pair with fiber-rich vegetables to aid digestion. Important clarification. This supports enjoyment safely. It is not a treatment or miracle food. Before trying new seafood, consult your doctor if you have allergies, high blood pressure, or digestive issues. Tracking reactions helped. Digestion comfort. Energy after meals. Blood pressure readings. Possible side notes. Overeating can cause bloating. Sodium-sensitive individuals should adjust portions. Over time, octopus became a safe, occasional addition. Energy remained stable. Digestion smooth. This experience taught me caution matters. Even healthy foods require awareness. If this helped you rethink seafood, like the video and share your experience. Small mindful choices protect comfort and health.